Hello folks, it's me again. Hopefully this is the last series in the Hibachi build. So far what we have is, this is what I got up to. This is what it looks like so far. I got the grill, I repainted the handle, I got a little bit of dirt on it, so it doesn't look perfect. The inside looks pretty damn good, and well, what are we doing today? One last thing to build is, there's supposed to be a grill in here. The charcoal sits on top. Now I got two options. I can make it out of a steel plate, which is not that hard. It's very simple. Cut a steel plate out. Cut a, what do you call it, a template. Cut a steel plate out. Maybe drill some, I could pop holes in it. Or I could, what do you call it? Just grind out like groove parts. But I'm like, you know what? It's going inside, nobody's going to see it, nobody's going to care. So I'm going to make like a little miniature barbecue grill. I'm going to put two rods this way and just tack weld. Yeah, two rods like one this way, and I'm going to put all the little grill things on there. It's easier, it's quick, and it doesn't have to be perfect. Plus, with all the hot coals sitting on it, those things rust out and warp and burn out faster than you can look at them. So stay tuned. I'm going to cut all the rods and see if I can prepare all this. So keep watching. So what I need to do is measure how the rods from here to here. So I'm gonna take a rough measurement. 6.5 should be good, and then underneath 5.5 for now, maybe 5.25. Yeah, 5.25. So I'm gonna measure some metal rod that I have here. This, I have about a 12-foot section, and I'm gonna cut some off and see what I can use. So stay tuned. Well, let's see. My plan was to bend this rod here, get it in place, tack weld the end, but it snapped on that end. And then I was going to weld all these rods in here, like so. But plans don't always work out. So, got 9 of these rods, so I can go in like so. Yada yada yada. Theoretically, it should work. Now I'm thinking, you know, a metal plate's gonna be easier. So I think I'm just gonna cut out a metal plate, drop it in there, drill holes in it. It'll work out a lot easier. And it would have took me this much time to screw it up. So plan B, folks. Sometimes what you think you want to do, I mean, I could do this, but it's gonna take me much longer. So instead, I'm gonna take probably a 1/4 inch thick steel plate, cut it this size, and just start bouncing holes through it. I should be able to pop holes in it with the metal punch I have here, so that shouldn't be too much of a problem. I'll see if I can get that done right now. Anyway, stay tuned, I still got more.